It is Sunday. I'm at the campsite. I went out this morning to go hunt, and I did see some does, but unfortunately, when I took a shot, it went right over there, over her back. She moved real quick. But anyway, a few weeks ago, I saw somebody using one of these, and for many years I've used this way, and for some reason they're saying that we were doing this wrong. And I learned this a long time ago, seeing my parents open these with one of these like this right there. But I am going to see if it really works. I've seen plenty of videos out there, and they do it this way, and it actually works for them. So the only way to find out is for me to try it. Okay, so here we go. And if this works, I'm gonna have to call my parents, and I'm gonna have to have a little meeting with them. And let's see, here we go. Well, I'll be. Wow. It did work. This way it captures the this lid, it won't fall in there. Wow. Who knew? All these years I was doing this wrong. I'm gonna send this video to my parents. They got a lot of explaining to do. You believe that? All these years, 50-something years, and I was doing it wrong. I can't believe that. Ah, it smells good. Catch you guys later.